dragons roaring. Hear sounds of dragons roaring. Along the Taff 1,000 voices murmured, and in Carnarvon the ancients' rampart shuddered. A new beginning was on the verge of breaking. A mighty Wales was finally awaking. Hear sounds of dragons roaring. Hear sounds of dragons roaring. 5,000 came to Merthyr in the morning. Journey has begun before the day was dawning. Penderyn Square home, a far brave forefathers. Hear voices loud now of brothers, sisters, and mothers. Wales, arise and be free. Don't be downhearted, there's no need to be sad. Oh, marching neath one banner, be joyous and be glad. Our time is coming, we've broken down the door, and prisoners with the more. Hear sounds of dragons roaring. Hear sounds of dragons roaring. The chains that bind are finally being broken. The words long lost are proudly being spoken. The tide has turned, the circle now completed. The ruling classes at last will be defeated. Wales, rise and be free. Don't be downhearted, there's no need to be sad. Oh, marching neath one banner, be joyous and be